The D part perimeter is 146 meter. Length we have to find, and breadth is given, that is 28 meter. What should we write? That is page number 221. 221, question number 2D part. Page 221, question number 2D part is perimeter given. Write with me, grade 4. Perimeter is given. That is equals to 146 meter. Breadth is given. (28 meter). Length is given. That is equals to question mark. We have to find length. Now, what is the first thing, grade 4, we have to do? Perimeter is equals to, look, keep the thing in your mind, 2 times length plus 2 times breadth is equals to perimeter. 2 times length plus 2 times breadth is equals to perimeter. So 2 times length we don't know, we will write 2 length plus 2 times breadth. What is breadth? That is given, multiply by 28 is equals to, what is perimeter? Perimeter is given 146 meter. Got it? Now 2 times length as it is, 2 times length as it is, plus 28 multiplied by 2. We will multiply 28 with 2. 2 8s are 16. 1 will come here. 2 2s are 4 and 1. 56. We will write 56 is equals to 146 meter. Okay. Two times length is equals to 146 minus 56. Got it? Subtract 56 from 146 and tell me the answer. If you subtract 56 from 146, what will be the answer? Please tell me, hurry up. It should be 90. So length is equals to 2 by 2, 90 by 2. Got it? When we divide 90 with 2, what will be the answer? 45 meter is the answer. You will write 45 meter. Got it? Okay, now look at your screen. I'm going to explain again. Grade 4. Perimeter is given in the question, that is 146 meter. Breadth is given in the question, that is 28 meter. Length we have to find, we don't know the length. Got it? They are saying we are working in perimeter of rectangle. We are working in the rectangle. Can you see in the on your book, rectangle mein hum kaam kar rahe hain. Got it? So keep the thing in your mind. Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 times length plus 2 times breadth is equals to perimeter of rectangle. Why 2 times? Because two opposite sides are equal. 2 times length, 2 times breadth is equals to perimeter. So 2 times length, as it is, we don't know the length, it will remain same because we don't know the length, we have to find the length. 2 times breadth. Breadth की जगह हमने 2 as it is 28 पुट कर दिया जो कि क्वेश्चन में गिवन था. ओके, ब्रेथ की जगह 28 पुट कर दिया इज इक्वल्स टू पेरीमीटर की जगह 146. Now what we have to do, when we multiply 28 with 2, we will get 56. Got it? 146 as it is. when we move this value to the right side of the equation, it will become subtraction. 146 minus 56, this will become 90. Why we are now dividing 90 with 2? Because 2 is multiplying here with length. When we move 2 with the right side, we will multiply and divide both. 2 with here and 2 with here. We're dividing 2 both sides here. This will become 90 by 2 and you will get your answer 45. Got it?